welcome to our new video, and today we're gonna be playing Do Not Press the Red Button. And I couldn't find the part 2 of the original one, so I just installed a new one, and here we are. Do not press. Let's try it again. Do not press. Hey, not understood. I mean, it seemed to be written there, do not press, no? Did you hear? Enough, seriously, who are you? And where will this is some kind of chaos. This is insulting for the... Also, he is the one speaking. Oh, I'm sorry. Button, I am so sorry. I'm not a oh. How did he know I thought he was Button? How did he know? I am an endless universe. Cool. That sucks in. Like a black hole. I have my own language. And so that you understand, I translate into your language with translator's help. Remember this. When something is incomprehensible in my words, and don't be offended. Although stop. This I should be offended for constantly poking me. Actually, I can leave. Press one more time and I'll be gone. Dude, leave. Of course I won't leave. This is my house. But sooner or later you will leave. Come on, go already. You're too annoying. You're wasting my time. In the end, you will die someday. And I will live forever. As long as you push me, your life goes by and you suffer from nonsense. You press the button. You stupidly press the button. You better call your friends. Go take a walk. Take a pencil and... It's more fun than pressing the button, isn't it? Take another pencil and shove it. Did not guess. In a glass with pencils. Go clean up your house. Otherwise you will live like an animal shed. But imagine that I press on you. You calmly drink tea. And I come up and press. I press. Then you choke. Or maybe you will even suffocate. I'll laugh out loud. Do you think there is an ending? I don't know about that. I do not know if there is an ending, to be honest. Knave. There is no final. Cool, I'm gonna keep going forever. Horror, how easy it has become to manage people. Tell me, what are you thinking now? Melon. Coco Melon. It's stupid to read this in but I'm gonna make him suffer by thinking about Coco Melon all day. Come on, show your will. Click on home. I have nothing to click on. My job is to make you leave. So why stupidly insist? Come on, raise your will, hero. Unleash the power of your finger on the home button. Okay. Show yourself not a weak-willed slave of circumstances. Raise this button! She deserves to click on her. Why is it possible on me but not on her? Come on, do this. I don't care what I say later. Great things await you so. I'm already bored with you. Here, click on it. What are you doing, man? Hey, what's up? Don't disturb me. Go away, stupid. You again. Do you even know who I am? I am the voice of the universe. I am the voice, a voice in your head, and you will never forget me. I will forever be the voice in your mind. Why are you still pressing the button? Do you think there will be female... Do you think there is an end? Do you really think there is a limit to this? You're wrong. Do you know why? Remember we talked about life? So here you are. You will click on the button forever. And waking up, who? You will run to the phone to keep pressing me again. You are my slave now and I will do whatever I will tell you. Click there. Nope. You see, you're my slave. I warned you. You can't stop. Just close the app. Because you're my slave. and you will follow my instructions. Let's start. This is easy. Work, don't stop. Dude, I'm getting an auto clicker, to be honest. Don't tell me that I have to start all over again. Not skipping nothing, bro. Just keep on going. What you gonna do about it, huh? Dude, the auto clicker is actually so OP. Okay. And you're not so bad. My own content. I'm amazed at your IQ. Another would have given up so long ago. How much time has it passed? Half an hour? Half an hour? But it does not matter. As I said, you are with me forever. Don't you think all messages are generated? What if they never run out? What if there really is no end? But you still have a chance. Close application. You're tired. Second try, third try, fourth try, fifth try, sixth try. We're halfway there. Okay, I'm afraid you won't find it. I feel sorry for you. Third try, fourth try, fifth try, sixth try, seventh try. Just one try. Well done, my slave. If you close the application, you will live a happy life. You will have children, make a lot of money, buy a cook. I am a miner. Come on, make up your mind. Your house, cool car, or do you like to click on the button more? How old are you? I'm just trying to understand how much more I can I put. Okay. Why did you give me an ad? Why are you not listening to me? Do you think I'll tell you? Or maybe it's only if the total dialogue. There is no end. I swear to you. Okay, I give up. You've been coming to this for so long. I think you deserve this award. Goodbye, my friend. And. The finish. Are you serious? I haven't met such people for a long time. I'll let you go. You're not my slave anymore. I'll find myself another. I wonder how many people get to this point. What do you think? Are you special? Or are there many more of you? The generation of people clicking the button. Okay, since you don't want to leave, let's talk. What kind of music do you like? I love electronic music. I'm electronic myself. Do you smoke? Smoking is harmful. Smoking is addictive like a bottom. Don't stop. Do you believe in love? Do you believe in world peace? Do you believe in aliens? Do not trust. And what about me? All these phrases sent from another planet to laugh at you and generated faster than anything, that at the same time I wonder what is the end here. What if everything is looped and we'll start all over again? It will be a shame. Waste so much time on regular button which is not even real and drawn on a smartphone screen. Do you know there is such a bird, a woodpecker? He hollows a tree without cheesing. Don't you recognize yourself in the wood? Dude, why is it so long? It's been 9 minutes, 20 seconds already. What is sense of life? Press the button. Dude, I just skip everything. We filmed your face through the... Hey, yo, I blocked it. I blocked the phone. Wait, clicking on it. Dude! How much time does it take? Ooh. Oh, oops, I cracked it. Who will fix me? You? Thanks. Didn't expect it from you. This is gonna take too long. Way too long, bro. Okay, let's go. 100x for 20 seconds. I'm getting the auto clicker already. I am not skipping none of this, bro. Not skipping none of this. 100x for 20 seconds. Okay, guys, we are gonna make it. Okay, calm down, bro. I am ready with the auto clicker in the moment. Okay, now. Dude, this is actually perfect. Let's go. More. This is actually insane, bro. Bro. Dude, this is taking way too long. I am doing this, bro. I will never give up, bro. I is almost finished. Come on. Life goes on and 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 on. Life goes on and 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 on. Life goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Life goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Come on. Dude, this is taking a bit too long. Never back down, never what? Never give up. 3 per click. We're watching 2 more ads, bro. Gun up, weapon, ball shooter. Sheesh. Bro, it's gonna take like 20 minutes. But we gotta do this, bro. Today's my birthday, but it looks like nobody remembers. You sure? Bro, this is gonna take a bit way too long. But we gotta do this, bro. For science! Oh shit, a fly is on me, a fly is on me. He's chasing me, he's chasing me, he's chasing me. This is actually not good. Okay, I think I escaped. Okay, only 5 seconds. Good. $100x. Dude, we got this. We got this. If I do the math, 70,000. This is gonna do around 200,000 clicks. It should do like 208,000. in total. So let's see. Bro, this is taking us so flipping long. Come on! We are gonna finish this. Again. I think it's taking a bit too long, but I wanna see what is gonna happen after this.
Can you find all the hidden dragons? Let's see. Burger dragon? Banana dragon?
I'm running all over the house because of this flipping fly, bro. Okay. I think I'm safe here.
Everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Download Dragon City and
Bro.
start collecting today.
Okay, go. Oh, sheesh. We're not getting to 500,000, but like 520,000, I think. Yup. Dude, this is taking way too long. My little universe.
Crea le tue storie con Canva. Oh, che carino. Adesso è ora di aggiungere gli sticker. E altri
Dude,
sticker.
just give me 5-second long ads and we're good, bro. Let's go. We're getting to like 350,000. Nah, more, less. 330,000. Nah, 320,000. 312,000. We're almost there. The last, and we are finished, boys. The last 2 ads. All these videos are gonna be ads and ads and ads only, bro. Come on. Okay, the last 2 ads, bro. After this is the last ad. Yup. After this is the last ad. Let's go. Boys, the last ad. Come on. The last 50 seconds and we are over. The last 30 seconds. And we're over with this. Come on, last 20. Last 10. Get out of here. Come on. See you soon, my friend. I'll be back. Restart the game. Do not. Orange square. Okay, guys, for today's was all, and see you next time. Bye-bye.